So guys, my dear Amana, I just want to thank you for watching my videos, and I just want to thank you guys for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I also want to thank those who are sending super stickers and everything, man, in the comment section. Do you understand? So you guys, what's gonna be happening today in today's video is, today I'm going to town, and today I wanna expose the cost of living, the reason why people are not going back to Zimbabwe, because there's Zimino Dura. And today also I'm gonna be talking about my cost data and everything, man. I'm going to town, and then I'm gonna show you everything. And also I'm gonna meet up with my friend, and I'm planning also to go to Chicken Inn. If you watched the last vlog which was South Africa, I was craving for Chicken Inn, and then unfortunately bus another kind of Chicken Inn. And also I'm gonna show you the prices of the Chicken Inn. I'm gonna leave an honest review, everything. But mainly for this video I wanna go to mainly reason for this video, I want to go to OK, which is same as ShopRite and also South Africa. I want to go and compare prices and see my main basic things which has come back. I don't give for salt, mafuta, sipo dzeugesa dzekwashisa. Zvinhu zvinodiwa pagrocery, let's say you want to buy grocery for parents. So zvinhu izvozvo zvakanyakosha ndozvinhu zvachenyu chinoona muna OK. Ndinoona kuti saka cost of living yemuno yakanyatsoita sei, munodhura here, hamuraramiki here, vanhu vanonyepera Zimbabwe here kuti zvinodhura kana vanhu havanyepere Zimbabwe, zviri worth it kugara kunze muchisafa, or it's better to come back home. So I'm going to show you everything. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Oyo, YouTube, this is your boy Praise _dude, the one and only, the best YouTuber in Zimbabwe. So hey guys, today we're gonna go to town, and yeah, I saw a lot of you guys were asking me if I can afford Zim, so there's no Dura, this and that. Understand? So nothing else get to town much. Tipinde mguta tinoona kuti cost of living yachona yakamira sei, zvinhu zvachona zviri kudhura zvemachokwadi here. And yeah, let's go. So mana ndawana kombi apa, ndawana taxi. Amana, unananda kamira shida. Udobuda vlog mangwe. Dochikisa no angwe. Dochikisa, sekerera amana. Dochikisa no angwe. Mwana mana munada kuchikisa vanhu. Era mana geri mboro wachira unti ngono zvinopera sei. Ndiyasena amopinda mjoina city. Timboona kuti cost of living emuno inodhura zvakaita sei. And tichapinda mashops maybe OK. Dina cameraman, unana cameraman. So cameraman wacha nditora tipinda mnana OK. Mnana OK, mnana food road andika. OK, cameraman. Aiwa pana mari amukupiwa. Samana ya. Ndokubatai. Cameraman, mudobuda. Ndikutengesa cameraman. Wasa ndikutsvagira soulmate. Tsvagira cameraman soulmate. Kana pane soulmate kuda soulmate yake ndinayo panapa. So yamana chakubata. I'm ready for marriage. Redla Village in the Redla Village. Redri Village. So man, again kupinda mu join now. Do join a city. Wembo na Freeman. Wamo pinda. Asana wapinda. Man, cameraman. Asana wapinda mu join a city. Kwa wembo na Freeman. Ndoda kuenda ku join a city wewe. But akati nyepera ngoma na hapana pano spend wasiku night mu join a city. Kati mana kitimbo unoona. Sama na tagara mu. Cameraman. Iwe. Amana cameraman wangu chigure ndo chinomunetsa. Saka asida kuoneka pa kamera. Muto munzwisisa but at CBD muno chihure ndo chinomunyanyira mwana. Kanopinda mauke muno but tine bashmat noisira na cameraman rukurema. Saka bvunza pase kanda chine yakavharwa. Sikushanda. But keturo tingaone my activities zapi. Maybe toda kunona masodeni una raini nenzo. Tikazenda usimbe toda kunona raini naneso. Nana magic nanani. So just stay tuned and watch the vlog tip and myself. But cost of living in Zimbabwe ndakukuradziwa zvekufamba sei zvikuenda nekupi chibva kupi nekupi. Nekwese kwashasvika chakuratidza. Izvo kakamira mani. Iwe kutamba nawo unoita chiure kwakakura. Badi amana ya stay tuned. So amana tapena mchikeni ni muno. Do noera unonzi kuzara. Chikeni noera unonzi kuzara. Ava noda chikeni nawo mana. Vanoda huku akomana. Vanoda huku mukati. Noera unonzi kuzara muno. Apa noera unonzi kupisa. So atotsvaga table kuzasuko. Hopefully table achina ne1 and then iyo asi vari kutipa nehuku dzacho dziri mhenyu kana $9 amana ndo chinhu chekutanga chatanga kutoona chicken inodhura singaiti yo that's crazy. Imagine $9 amana for huku pambori nechiapo astopoa ihuku asi nyama yetoki kana 2 pizza ne 2 McCain. 2 pizza and 2 McCain, 9 years. Bruh. I thought maybe it's gonna be affordable in Zimbabwe. But you know what? Sorry. You know what? Maybe Maria not Wanda. What I think is like 9 years is like something like 180 rand. So this is 180 rand. But still it's expensive because Cape Town is 40 rand. 2 piece and zip. So zvinhu Cape Town is zvaimparonge zvatengwa 2028 100 rand. 2.5 years. So there's no big difference though. Changing the state. Imagine. Years in dream car, but this is what and we would love to hear from you. Okay, hear from us then. Where is the scanning thing? Okay, we would love to hear from us. This was Kaki, bro. We're cameraman assume of Veranditor. Cameraman is. What are my pictures? They get my Panapa. My pictures are. Hey. Timboona difference, the cost of living here Joza is 0.8 kilometers, almost 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer by Joza is something like 27 rand. 27 rand is how much? It's dollar 27 rand. Let's just say it's $10. This one. Now $50 nearly tongo $40 ne. So panapa takono difference yacho yakamira sei. Munhu ada kufamba 1 km chete kubva pa KFC padhuze pana Bank Street panapa then kuenda pa ZANU-PF headquarters pa Road Road. So let's see cha request saka gedzame kuisa $20 yaramba yati minimum is pondo ndo recommended andika done. Let's see tona ma drivers fine drive ma cost of living ataka kuona muZimbabwe wachona kuti using in drive zvinonyazombofamba sei. Requesting 2 drivers are viewing your request, so they are viewing my request and they are ignoring. Right, pana offer $3. That's crazy. Get him to decline. 3 anopenga 3 years here. Right, one mapondo zvakaita. Sha, I used to do. Get one Honda Fit we Belta, we are padhuze. We Camry. So tinodhira ma kilometers, we are 1 kilometer away. No ari kupi. Aushaisha teto cancel ukataona $1 sha. Mbona wangu amanaka ini zvinhu zvinozvisa because ndakaita chibasa big time chototi inini urikupengere one munhu ari kudisturba basa ibasa kero do you even know kuti ndikufidha mhuri nezvinhu haasi kuziya bra ndikufidha mhuri nezvinhu izvi. So amana as I was saying, I'm selling my cameraman. Sekerera kunokuiona kuone sekerera I'm selling my cameraman. Suspension is still better and suspension yapere mileage ichiri nani ichiri low and the tires they're still new and windscreen still fine, everything. Bonnet face ID ichiri kuskana yakada kuti fender ndoda kuda isozwa kuti iri kuti scanning ku smile une dzimbo here ko 360 aramba asi slender uri slender. Okay, anza ningandiwana unozoya kuseri ndokupa 360. So guys, atamira ni green. The driver is coming. Ikuti pick up uchi 4:49 seconds. Ashika kwa aloka ngetione taruda shigera takati mire kana zvifamba sei. But angari 1 km away yakarosvika nguwai. Ngetione daro kuti driver is in drive. My driver in drive dzikamai, why do you call me? Yatoni kata in drive drivers, why do you call people? I hate munhu anondifonera kana zvichitapika safoni unongochifonere amana ndoyemwe nyaya kana message ichitapika don't call unongochinifonere uchitese wadaire. So guys, as simple as this, driver asvika saari kuti chii atobvunza muri papi tikati kenini apindura asati and ndangoti okay coming but aura kuti apa ratimira 3 minutes but asati asvika ari kunonoka dho anonoka ndakuzwa tingoita inrev kuenda kuchegutu mwana ka50 kasina basa munhu kungoti kaka50 kokuenda pachegutu apa samana ngetione tiri panapa pa KFC pachikenini kana uri around yonitengero chikenini here. Iyo jangi izvozo ndadya jangi izvozo amana tamirira munhu ari kunonoka kusvika tanda kukangana basmat rice redu basmat aiwa achimbopo kamera 360 chamata futi tada 1.38 yauya indrive rapa payo guys yo rapa. So you guys are adapting, I'm okay. And today what I'm gonna be doing is like I'm gonna be looking at the basics, right? I'm gonna be looking at the basics and those is running calculator as zvinhu zvinoshandiswa everyday mumba, zvinhu zvekuti kana unotengerewo muchembere grocery zvinhu zvekuti you're gonna look at and zvinhu zvakakosha noti zvinhu zvefancy, you understand? So for today, let's start with the main thing. Let's start with the mafuta. The only crisis that we're gonna have is my prices akaiswa mazigi, and the zigi rikundirasisa asana kutomboziva chi maprices emazigi. But ndavhunza vanhu vanoziva vanga vachitiwo $1, so tichashanda nema $1, and then tichashanda futi zvakare nemarands. So I will do the calculations later and ndichange ndichimaisa chi pascreen anditika. So yeah, let's start with the basics sechidiwa nevanhu, and I will do the calculation for you, and ndichikuudzai kuti $1 mazigi mangani. So $1, and it is equivalent to 40 zigi. Do you understand? So let's start with mukaka. Mukaka chinje kuti unotengera mubereki, luckily chakaiswa $US. Mukaka uri kuita iwo 420 is less than 100 rand. So this video mainly is for people that are living in diaspora, people that are living in South Africa, kunyanya South Africa and Zimbabwe hapana difference yakusiyana. Okay, here's the thing. 470, this is less than 100 rand. Maybe this is around 90 rand, 95 rand or something. Box remkaka. Ne box remkaka it contains 2 sachets mukati umu. Zvinoti mune mukaka mungani 2 pa 470. Uri affordable kwaka. Ndochinje kutanga ichocho. And then toya pa chifti chino. Some autonoti mukaka so far uri affordable. Those my main things anodiwa nichi nana moms yana chembe. And then toya pa masamba. You can see it's very affordable. $1.60. So apana chinje kubonya kusambiri kuda kutonza mbiri kutanzi Zimbabwe haigarike. Cost of living, do you think you're gonna afford it? Bruh, no difference. Look at this. These things, Anna Raja, 85 rand. 85 rand is less than $1. Kuna South Africa under 35 rand. It's more expensive than here Zimbabwe. Look, usangulangu wekuza muriwo. You understand? Chichimwe. Right, takwenda apa main thing pa mafuta. Mafuta is 375, less than 100 rand. It's roughly around 60 something rand, maybe 70 rand, 3 something $US. This is okay, guys. You're going to my US. Yo, that's crazy. But as to dura mafuta, mashonera mega, less than 100 rand. Motu runs cost of living. What cost of living are you talking about? Sasofa taita mafuta, taita mukaka, nemasamba. Zvinhu zvetika zve-breakfast. Let's go kuzvitunene amanaka. Musati kusvibisa nyika yenyu nezvisina basa. Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo muchinyeperera ranzi cost of living in Zimbabwe. Zvinhu zvangofanana nezvo. 55 zigi, something like $. Ndofunga ndowandodhura chona. Let's go here. $1.75. This is less than 40 rand. This is less than 40 rand. Iratope kuombe. Look at this. This is less than 40 rand. Matisho kupukutisa. Because of my newspaper something like $1. So there's no cost of living. I'm talking about. There's no cost of living. Okay. Let's go to. Yo, okay, actually, better kuzara na tissue deso. Imagine, guys. Kwa hizo kuzara ma tissue. Do rega, do grocery racho. Do grocery. I'm sadari. And then 43 zigi. That's $1. Something like $1 10 cents. Projects supposed to get. I'm so disappointed. Look at this. Yo. Okay, please, you're disappointing us. Why are you not even cleaning machine though? So guys, we are here. Okay. Look how empty the fridges are. Akanyika okay no yapera. My drinks. Tungoro my basics. Mari zina basa. Okay, taurotsvaga zvinhu zvakatonge hupfu chichimwe nehupfu kana green bar sipo dzekuwachisa. Matishu akadira zvayo. Okay, no. Okay, taurotasa mafuta ekuzora. Mapamba. Okay, let's go with Pampers. $4. This whole packet. Mapamba angu andiziye indokurudzirwa kuti vanhu vasaite zvekuzvarana nekuzvarana, but $4. It looks affordable though. Matishu 39 zigi. Matishu sawa. Yeah. Mawan. Hapana chijambo cha kusiyana na South Africa. Mazoe. $3. $3 mazoe. asava nemukaka kana mazuva asi mazuva akugadzirwa mamwe asingaziva nemukaka ero something because atinoketa anodaro. Let's look for amuna hupfu muno guys. This OK is running out of stock. Chocomalt 218 ziggy. Yo, do the calculations. It's something like $5 box of Celevita. Yo, it's expensive. Vane wana mabhodha muri kurarama sei? Okay, ufuta wana. So, okay, tasvika pane chinhu chakakosha. Hupfu hunoita mari. Tengera vabereki $7 hupfu. There's no a huge difference or big difference there. In South Africa, there's no a big difference though. Because Pajosa, you can buy it for 100 and maybe 150 rand. This is 7 years is 120 rand, 140. There's no difference. Zvakangofanana mabasics eti munhu urarame paZimbabwe akangofanana nemabasics epaJosa. Hapana difference anomboonetwa nokuti cost of living. So in short, we can afford Zimbabwe. Everyone can afford Zimbabwe. Because zvekukweshesa mutoilet $3 ana apika. Amana, my word of the day, everyone come back to Zimbabwe. Come and live in Zimbabwe. Don't live in depression. Machangs, Dora. Don't be 55. Machangs are nyama. Tikatenga machangs mafuta kuko South. Ndanda wana South, but I'm sure it is even something like dollar. South I do it. Do you understand? Chichimwe. Chaungade. Zvipapete chingwa. Dora ijumbo bani. Amanaka. So tell me now, why are you not coming back to Zimbabwe? Cost of living yamuta around the hip hop. So sinitanga wasvika paground then also tyiswa nevanhu uri kuningirini chichi masoseji kana zvizvi. Oh, why is it hamuchatengesa stock yakawanda muno? What am I? Guys, I don't want to lie, guys. This fridge is smelling so bad. Like, I think it's because of the electricity or something, because of load shedding. Those things when I come back to Zimbabwe, it's smelling so bad, and it looks like the meat is going off. But here, guys, those are cautious. So tell me down in the comment section. I'm not going to Zimbabwe, which is the cost of living, what. Do agents, tell me down in the comment section. So guys, I wanted to do in-drive, but also for experience I'm gonna use those big buses down there. Anaenda Southly Park, Shokunzi, Chibwende, whatever, kwateshiende kokuwaya. Ndoda unoshandisa wanimboona kuti safe famba, ndiyana safe. Ukata mota dzakanaka takuneta nekudzikwira kuJosa, always driving everywhere, kwandiri always driving, kumukira makuseni pa steering. And you know kuti kudrive kwamwe munhu unakudza sei. So let's go and use the massive bengere but so long, let's go and look for casket. Do you understand? Tatenga casket amane. I mean, the new flavor inonaka ndeipi. Zvinaida yellow tajaira ya orange. Runs inonaka. So let's test and see what Nobira say. Timunon Zupko baba. Amana. This is planning in green amana. You can take your motor. Zimbabwe will take your motor bazima man. Itu motor go Zimbabwe. And then ukira Zupko. Temo yokubereka man. Anyways. I bet guys phone yangu yazodzima and I was still recording vlog for you but I'm not buzzer. So I guess now I'm den and yeah, I made the back of our yard. You understand? So I bet guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If you've enjoyed, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? Road to 9,000 subscribers. In fact, road to 10k subscribers. Tonight March April to 10k. I know guys, I'll you're gonna like, comment and share with everybody. Guys, I just want to thank everyone who is watching, everyone who is sending my super stickers in comment section. Thank you. Sending love to your fam. I really appreciate it. It's gonna help me because I think that we just say my expenses of traveling, what, you understand, and stuff. And also recovering marriage and book bodies, understand. So I love you so much, guys. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please keep on liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. There's more and more to come. Just stay tuned. I'm just still settling in finding proper network connections for data. And also I'm giving courses. Kune previous video that I'm gonna give my courses. Kune wadatanga kune question. Make sure you hit me up on number zangu, and then we talk, man. Tonotodzidza from where udabva kupi uchienda kupi, then totanga newo pauda kutangire ipapo kusvika pawavi, ndokubvunza kuti uri papi, une zvauri kuziva about editing, unodzidziswa kutanga kuposta, unodzidziswa about music and stuff. Then yeah, I will teach you everything about YouTube, understand. Takachistada chinhu ichi takachindosworo, so make sure you hit my DM up. Just hit my DM, and then totaura. Remember, knowledge is money. So of course ndakazokupoka knowledge unofanira kuzoappreciate neka just little amount kachinge tichaura materials and things. So thank you guys for watching the vlog to the end. Makosi atanga so far tatone vanhu vanosvika almost 6-7 vari kuita macourses. Kwauri koko we can do through pafoni, kana don't ndiomba kwenyu, as long as you are doing in drive ndinosvika ikoko, you understand. So yeah, ndozvega. There's more to come. Tell me down in the comment section kondini adoti ndiite, and kondini amuri kuda ndiudze mucomment section or DM me nema content ideas. So guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. Tango.